Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Our topic for today is about an enterprise 2.0 or the latest 3.0. So enterprise actually is the strategic integration of Web 2.0 technologies into an enterprise intranet. So extranet and business processes. So enterprise 2.0 implementation generally used as a combination of social software and collaborative technologies like blogs, RSS, social bookmarking, social networking, and wikis. So most enterprise 2.0 technologies, whether homegrown, free of or purchase, emphasize employee, partner, and consumer collaboration. Such technologies may be in-house or web-based. No? So companies using YouTube or for blogging or private Facebook group as modified intranet, for instance, are implementing a form of enterprise 2.0. So it was first coined in March 2006 by Harvard Business School Associate Professor Andrew McAfee in MIT Sloan Management Review. Okay, so as Church na mentioned, adoption of Enterprise 2.0 technologies can spur efficiency, productivity, and innovation by encouraging employees and other stakeholders to share information and discuss business problems in an open, collaborative setting. Okay, to give us more details about the topic, let us all welcome our first presenter.
Yun, sir. Good afternoon po once again. So I'm going to discuss about dun sa overview po ni Sir regarding po sa enterprise and the Internet of Things and Web 2.0 and 3.0. So nakakuha naman ako pero not totally na full information nakuha ko about the Web 4.0 and 5.0. So later I will discuss about that. Okay. So mostly ito yung mga questions kasi natin, what does Enterprise 2.0 mean? So Enterprise 2.0 is the corporate integration of online social networking and collaborative technologies into a company's business processes, business collaboration, and social software that we call Enterprise 2.0. Have moved from the hype phase into serious consideration and adoption at most companies. Our Information Week Analytics Enterprise 2.0 Vendor Evaluation Survey of 619 business technology professionals shows that 68% of their companies have deployed at least one Enterprise 2.0 application. So the purpose of Enterprise 2.0 is to flatten and democratize a company's communications with its customers, partners, and employees. The tools used for Enterprise 2.0 includes online web 2.0 technologies like blogging, wikis na mentioned po ni Sir, public bookmarking, and websites like Twitter and Facebook. The challenge is in using these technologies effectively enough to move the company further toward the core corporate performance goals. This is not an easy task, but the emergence of Enterprise 2.0 reflects the uncertainty that's crept into traditional corporate or operations. So corporate hierarchy, power struggles, in fighting, and simple lack of momentum can put up barriers or create frictions. Enterprise 2.0, however, circumvents much of this friction through sheer efficiency and simplicity. The term enterprise 2.0 was first coined in March 2006 by Harvard Business School Associate Professor Andrew McAfee, who was one of the first to realize that efforts outside the corporate firewall provide a powerful and for managers threatening new means to influence corporate goals. So Enterprise 2.0 is a strategic integration of Web 2.0 technologies, enterprise and intranet, extranet and business processes. Enterprise 2.0 implementations generally use a combination of social software and collaborative technologies like blogs, RSS, social bookmarking, social networking, and quiz. Most Enterprise 2.0 technologies, whether homegrown, free or purchased, So emphasize employee, partner, and consumer collaborations. So such technologies may be in-house or web-based. So companies using YouTube or blogging or a private Facebook group as a modified intranet or instance are implementing a form of Enterprise 2.0. What is Enterprise 2.0 system? Enterprise 2.0 system, Enterprise 2.0 refers to the accept moving web 2.0 tools and technologies into the enterprise to help your employees, partners, suppliers, and customers work together to build network of like-minded people and share information. Enterprise 2.0 tools make it easier to share and organize information. Tagging and rating provide a straightforward way to find content and make judgment about what to look at. Blogs and Kiwis are natural collaboration and communication platforms. Enterprise, the social network tools help stop find the right individual or group of people. So the Enterprise 2.0 has the potential to provide knowledge and content management in a surprisingly cheap and easy fashion using web-based tools. According to Max Wessel, Chief Innovation Officer, actually pinanood ko lang siya kagabi, pero nantok na, kinuha ko lang ibang informations. The Enterprise 2.0 is the future enterprise software, the intelligence enterprise over the last couple of years that how experience data and operations data, and most importantly, the intelligence technology comes together in a large businesses. To make meaningful progress, how do we deliver the value in customers, so according to him? And the business technology platforms, the business technology are composed of this, the following: the database and data management, analytics, intelligent technologies, application development, and integrations. Responsibility to drive innovation. So we have a responsibility to drive innovations. The future of enterprise or software will look vastly different from today's world of software. To stay relevant, enterprise software will need to become more personalized for users, work seamlessly across environments, and be delivered when and how customers want it. Intelligent software is all about understanding end user problems and creating the system that enable users to get what they want, and they want it. Learn how you can create those systems and keep users satisfied. So continuous change and organic innovations, the world's most important organizations trust our system to be their foundations, and we must drive long-term transformation to future-proof our business. Which is the best tool for the enterprise? Looking through customers' data to be able to make better sales decisions and track customers' activities. The CRM is an indispensable enterprise tool to manage and optimize interactions while building relationships with prospects. All base functions such as predictive scoring and intelligence automations. Enterprise software applications and tools. So today's organizations need reliable access to data across the board. This is not only important for small businesses, but enterprises are even more pressured to acquire the best possible data management processes and ensure stable development. The astonishing potential that enterprise software or ES has introduced to the world by the power of technology has not only shifted how business grow, but also how they keep their operational and strategic initiatives under control and up to date. So what is enterprise software? Enterprise software is a term used to describe applications and technologies that companies use in order to support their operational strategic initiatives by focusing on the whole organizations rather than single user. Examples include CRM and business intelligence. So such software can be found in large industries, governments, retailers, hospitals, and departments such as sales, marketing, customer service, and finance, among others. This kind of software obviously requires interdisciplinary methods and process to manage large data scales. So numerous solutions on the market provides just that. For example, an enterprise software application focused on human resources will have numerous HR features that will enable professionals to access one single solutions and generate information simultaneously. Okay, what are the best enterprise software applications on the market? Since we have elaborated on basic definitions and benefits that enterprise business applications process, we will now take a detailed look into our enterprise software list comprised of the most popular solutions on the market. So andyan dyan enterprise software category, the example solutions, and the Captera rating. So mas makikita natin. Okay. Then we have the business intelligence or BI software and tools. The BI or business intelligence is the modern epitome, epitome of successful data analysis, management, monitoring, and smart reporting. Business intelligence gathers a multitude of benefits, and software providers have disrupted the industry by offering an ample of solutions for enterprise requirements. So let's take a look at the industry example. Ito po yun. Yan. Then the second, the CRM software and tools. So CRM or customer relationship management is one of the most important factors in the business pipeline, no matter the company's size. So looking through customer data to be able to make better sales decisions and track customers' activities. CRM is an indispensable enterprise tool to manage and optimize interactions while building relationship with prospects. User feedback software and tools. Looking at options of your users is an insightful activity that can lead to better customer experience by understanding what your customers want, utilizing data and analytics to create a feedback ecosystem that will enable you to proactively improve your product and share your findings across the company. One of the solutions is the Opinion or Opinion. Yan, Opinion. Online payment software and tools. The payment processing in fintech industry heavily rely on online payment software and tools. With the world being more connected than ever before, enterprises need to look after their payments by choosing solutions that are easy to manage and reachable both by merchants and customers anywhere around the globe. HR recruiting software and tools. Recruiting has become digitalized more than ever. So with the ever-changing human resources demands to screen thousands of candidates and handling all the data that gets collected along the way, an enterprise software system is needed to help in recruiting, connecting, and onboarding potential employees. This is where a solution such as ICIMS then can make a strong impact with a strong 4.3 rating on Captera. So medyo mababa lang siya, pero kahit pa paano, once na yung ratings na yung umabot ng 4, so considered siya as mataas yung rate. Ibig maganda yung response ng software. Then the next is ideation software, from the word na idea. Okay, brainstorming innovation and generating ideas often connects people across the company. Feedback, comments, voting system, and gathering insights from employees, important stakeholders, and external partners is run by technologies that facilitate continuous improvements and keeping full transparency. Databases can be accessed by anyone in the company. One of the most popular software is Idea Scale with a rating of 4.6 on Capterra. So mataas siya. Ibig sabihin talagang ginagamit talaga siya. Maraming satisfied dito mismo sa software na ideation software. Instant messaging software and tools. Team communication in the form of instant messaging has become a standard process in companies in our digital age. Even though instant messaging has its origins more in private sphere. Andiyan dyan yung ISQ, MSM, MSN Messenger, and WhatsApp. WhatsApp. What's up? Yan. What's up? What's up, man? Yeah. What's up? So, etc. Namalabo yung mata ko. Okay. Modern enterprise messengers offer numerous advantages for corporate communications and can usually be easily integrated into existing operating software. So, among other things, they provide accurate documentations, able quick reactions, and topic or project-specific group chats, which ultimately leads to higher productivity and better business decisions. So let us now take a look at our selected example. Ito siya. Ayan. Diba? Para lang siyang, it's in literal na mayroon siyang messenger. Ayan. User-friendly. Mukha siyang user-friendly. Project management software and tools. Project management or tinatawag natin na PM, so hindi siya private message, okay? Is indispensable tool for teams looking to complete projects on time and on budget. So whether there is project alignment needed, agile management and focus, or simply better collaboration, there are some enterprise software applications example that provide numerous project management features crucial to deliver the best possible results. So nag-range din siya sa rate na mga around nasa 4.6 ang ano niya, yung rates niya. Then, meron din tayong ERP software and tools. Yan, it's a better way to manage your entire business at a lower cost on the global scale. Online marketing software and tools. So ito rin yung example ng applications na ginagamit. So for marketing, has developed in so many different areas that without software, companies would not be able to manage all the data points and develop successful strategies. From web analytics, content marketing, advertising, and social media, among others, marketing tools and software enables users to take full control of their data, track, monitor, analyze, and evolve promotional efforts. Kasi from the word marketing, we all know in business industry, on any companies, marketing department, they are responsible to promote their products, how to promote their company name as well. Then web analytics software and tools. So various types of enterprise software wouldn't be complete without web analytics. So a website is a powerful tool in today's digital environment. Dahil when it comes to dissemination of informations, ganyan, so hindi lang siya dun mismo sa specific target market natin. So it means lahat ng mga tao na as long as na meron silang software, automatic na magiging connected sila dito mismo sa sa isang company. So sabi nga, sa website is a powerful tool in today's digital environment. Without it, enterprise would be nearly invisible. But all that website's data needs to be analyzed in order to successfully optimize a company's presence. And that's why web analytics software and tools such as Google Analytics are needed more than ever. Customer service software and tools. Closely connected with CRM, comprehensive customer service, or CS, software will deliver a broad range of possibilities to effectively manage customer data and deliver the best possible customer experience. So enterprises need to include a proper customer service solutions to keep an eye on the ever-evolving customer expectations and demand. So one of the enterprise software tools that can suitably manage all customers' relevant data is Zendesk. Ayan, ito yung ano niya, ito, Zendesk. Kasi from the word na desk, yung desk, parang front desk, yan. So doon ang kinuha siya kasi where sila yung nagkikater ng mga concerns regarding sa mga customers, kaya ng customer service software. Pero hindi naman siya ganun kataas ang ano niya, yung rate niya dahil mayroon siyang rate na 4.5 stars gain on Capterra. So mataas pa rin. So marami pa rin gumagamit nitong applications. But in the future, possible na mas tataas pa siya once na-develop or na-introduce na yan sa totally sa market kahit dito siguro sa atin. Issue tracking software and tools. So software teams need to have a clear overview the development process and of all bugs and their status. So issue tracking and bug reporting software helps them in tracking, recording, and finding all bugs that need attention and provide a platform that will help team leaders assign the issue to the person who needs to solve it. That's why teams can easily prioritize and communicate more effectively, while any potential software issues can be addressed immediately. Survey software and tools. Enterprise use survey software to support any aspect that connects them with an audience, no matter if there are clients or customers in questions or business partners. So surveys can provide insights for marketing campaigns, help desk, satisfaction levels of employees, or general feedback about specific business questions. Survey Monkey leads the way and on Capterra performed quietly well with a rating of 4.0 stars. So pero mukhang maganda. Ginagamit para sa survey, para sa evaluations. Cloud computing platforms and tools. Cloud services are used by enterprises that need heavy computing power and search for solutions that enable them to avoid building their own IT infrastructures. So usually quite expensive. Some of our enterprise applications examples have the cloud as the option to access your data online, no matter the location or time. So Amazon Web Service or AWS is one of the most popular cloud platforms in the world, and its average rating of 4.7 stars for different products on Capterra makes this solution high on the list of choosing cloud platform. Siyempre, doon pa lang sa name na Amazon, alam na kaagad natin dahil trusted siya, di ba? Itong logo na to, ito, arrow, alam na kaagad natin na Amazon siya. So marami na kaagad nagtatrust sa kanya. Kaya nung palang sa niya, iba talaga yung advantage once na kilala na yung company name. Internet on Things and Web 2.0. Okay. The internet is a global network of billions of computers and other electronic devices. The internet is the computer network which allows computer users to connect with computers all over the world. A website, a location connected to the web that maintains one or more pages on the www or World Wide Web. A web page is a simple document displayable by a browser and may contain text, graphics, hyperlinks to other web pages and files. So it is often used to provide information to viewers, including pictures or videos to help illustrate important topics. Okay. It is it is a page of information on the internet about a particular subject that forms a website. A web page is a simple document displayable so same as kanina. Okay, web page. Yes, kanina. Website. Okay. Hmm. Next, World Wide Web or WWW is a collection of different websites you can access through the internet. So many people think that the internet and the World Wide Web are the same thing. While they are closely linked, they are very different systems. The World Wide Web or WWW or web for short is a collection of web pages found on this network of computers. Your web browser uses the internet to access the web. Different online platforms or World Wide Web. Nag-overlap siya. Okay. So we have Web 1.0, which is a static web page. Yan. So it is referring to the first stage in the World Wide Web, which was entirely made up of the web pages connected by the hyperlinks. The majority of these sites are static. When we say static, read only. Yan. So Web 1.0 is composed of hyperlinks, yan, consider natin statics at read-only sites. So, meaning the read-only web information sharing all about static content or there's only one-way interaction of a user. So, no response, so nawala tayong na makukuha ang response sa mga ibang mga users. So, para lang tayo nagbabasa lang sa books. So, Web 0.10 services are presentation-oriented content viewing services based on technology supporting static web pages without much interaction used to display information. So in short, we call this the shopping carts and static web. Kasi kuha lang tayo ng kuha ng informations. Para tayo nagsha-shopping, di ba ginagawa natin? Kuha lang tayo kuha ng mga items, yun lang ginagawa natin. Static web page. So ito yung example, ayan. Okay, another example. The next, Web 2.0. Wait lang po, inom po akong water kasi nahirapan ako huminga. More than 100 slides po to. Charot lang. Web 2.0 dynamic web page. This time, para naman siyang magkakaroon na tayo nito ng response. Kung ang Web 1.0, it's more on read only. This time, magkakaroon tayo ng interaction doon mismo sa ibang users. Now, Web 2.0 or dynamic web page, read and write with users participation, share and collaborate. So, meaning the Web 2.0, it is the read write internet that participates in content creation through sharing and collaborations. Ang tawag na natin dito, the writing and participating web. Diba kung kanina, yung Web 1.0 is the shopping cart. It considers the shopping cart. So ito naman, the writing and participating web. The Web 2.0 describes the current state of the web with more user-generated content and usability for end users. So it was dominated by social networking and cloud computing. So Web 2.0 took things a little bit further by allowing users to upload. Yan, pwede makapag-upload ng mga files, dyan, mga pictures, yan, and share their content on the website itself. Ayan, tulad na ng Facebook, which is the most popular social media, di ba, na ginagamit natin. So, yung Netflix, wala naman akong account, so hindi ko nga syempre nakikinood lang din naman ako. Pero dito mismo sa ano sa Facebook, ito na yung talagang lagi nating ginagamit from morning to evening, 'di ba? Nakakapag-create tayo ng kung nakakapag-post tayo ng comments, minsan tayo nakakapag-create din tayo ng sarili nating group, 'di ba? Para sa group chat. So nakakapag-upload tayo ng mga pictures. So ang kaya natin natawag na may sharing kay interaction kasi yung mga pinopost natin ng mga pictures, videos or nagpo-post tayo ng mga thoughts, ganyan, or may mga response tayo nakukuha which is the comments ng mga natin ng FB friends natin or kahit yung mga common friends natin. So nakakakuha tayo ng response from them. Web 3.0 semantic web page. Semantic web page Web 3.0 is a semantic web page machine or servers understanding the user's preferences. So this platform is all about semantic web. It aims to have machines or servers understand the user's preferences to be ready to deliver online page or web content. So Web 3.0 allows the online applications and websites to receive information that on the web and give information data to the users. Makakapag-research tayo. Yan. Yung kapag meron tayong gusto hanapin, bigla na ang siyang lalabas. So minsan kahit hindi naman yun in specific or target information na gusto natin, inilalabas nila. So may mga suggestive informations na para sa atin. Pag hindi natin alam yung specific na topic na hinahanap natin. And the semantic is and also kung kanina, 'di ba, ang tawag natin sa web 2.0 is the writing and participating web. Ito namang web 3.0 ay the semantic executing web naman siya. Kasi ayun nga, tulad sinabi ko, siya ngayon nag-execute. Okay, semantic markup refers to the communications gap between human web users and computerized applications. So one of the largest organizational challenges of presenting information on the web was that web applications were not able to provide context to data and therefore didn't really understand that what was the relevant and what was not. The Web 3.30, okay, originally coined the semantic web by the team Berners-Lee, the web's original inventor, is an even more fundamental disruption, one that in time will leave everything. It, tama ba yun? Or nag-ano lang siya? Okay. Everything there too in its shade. It is a leap forward to open, trustless, and permissionless network. So the following attributes are going to be part of Web 3.0 contextual search tulad ng tailor-made search, personalized search, evolution of 3D web, and deductive reasoning. So here are the development of web from Web 2.0 to Web 3.0. So as you can see dito sa taas, ito yung ano natin, yung ginagamit natin. 'Di ba? Na currently ginagamit natin 'tong mga 'to. So pagdating ng 3.0, napansin niyo nagbabago na siya. So ibig sabihin nagkaroon na ng development. Ito na siya. Okay. But honestly, hindi ko pa naman nagagamit 'yon. Then, next, semantic web page enables data to be linked from a source to any other and to be understood by computers so they can perform tasks in our behalf. So the key goal of the semantic web is to trigger the evolution of existing web to enable users to search, discover, and share and join information with less effort. So humans can use the web to execute, kaya tinawag na executing web. to execute multiple tasks such as booking online tickets, yan, searching for different information, using online dictionaries, etc. The semantic web is a process that allows machines to quickly understand and react to complicated human requests subject to their meaning. Ang haba ng 3.0. Several problems of 3.0. Compatibility, which is the HTML file in current web browsers, could not support Web 3.0. Then security, the user's security is also in question since the machine is saving his or her performance. Okay. So dito, ibig sabihin, yung mga HTML file natin, hindi na siya kayang i-support ng updated o version natin na Web 3.0. So as of now, hanggang ano pa lang siya, 2.0 pa lang kaya niyang i-support yung mga HTML file natin. So vastness, the www already contains billions of web pages. So vagueness, certain words are emphasized. And syempre, the logic, there are certain limitations for a computer to be able to predict what the user is referring to a given time. Okay, so ito naman yung bago natin. So from the semantic to symbiotic web page. So kung ang Web 3.0 ay tinatawag na executing web, ang Web 4.0 naman, ito tinatawag na mobile web. Okay. Actually, the Web 4.0, it's not really a new version, but it's alternate version of what we already have. Web needed to adapt to its mobile surroundings. So Web 4.0 connects all devices in the real and virtual world in real time. Again, open link, intelligent interface, future of the internet. Symbiotic web page. Symbiotic web page, the goal of the symbiotic web is interaction between human and machines in symbiosis. The environment will be always on, connected world. So it is suspected that it will be an age in which each person will have a digital alter ego and will talk more and more with new interfaces like intelligence machines. So there's also a pretty dystopian vision of the web in the future with a greater control of the information that will affect not only the digital world, but also the reality around us. Web 5.0, emotional web. So how come na naging emotional web siya? So according sa research ko, although the Web 4.0 or 5.0 is still in developing mode, and the true shape is still forming. First signals are in that Web 4.0 or 5.0 will be about a link web which communicates with us like we communicate with each other, like a personal assistant. And Web 4.0, 5.0 is called symbiotic or symbiotic web. This web will very powerful and fully executing. Web 4.0, 5.0 will be the read-write execution concurrency web. Parang bumabalik pa rin siya doon, parang combine pa rin siya. But para pa siyang talagang total 100% na talagang meron na tayong Web 5.0. Kasi ang sabi, dinidevelop pa rin naman daw ngayon yung 5.0, even the 4.0. Web 5.0 will be about the emotional interaction between humans and computers. The interaction will become a daily habit for a lot of people based on neurotechnology. For the moment, web is emotionally neutral, which means web does not perceive the user's feel and emotions. So this will change with Web 5.0, emotional web. One example of this, yung nasa www.wefeelfine.org. Yun ang example niya doon. Which maps emotions of people. With headphones on, users will interact with content that interacts with other emotions or changes in facial recognitions. The web expansion. So, ito yung ano niyan. Graph, yung difference niyan, yung parang naging evolution niyan. So, meron tayong web of content, which is, ito yung ano natin, ayan, dire-diretso siya. Hanggang sa na-develop na siyang develop from web of things to web of thoughts. So, meron tayo ng business, communication, and entertainment from the year of 1993 up to 2020. So, medyo latest siya. Then this is how the process of web 1.0, 2.0, and the semantic web. And the web 1.0, 2.0, and 3.3 summary. So, kumbaga sa tao nagkakaroon ng development siya. Diba? From crawl, walk, to run. So, yan ang naging improvement niya. Not only doon mismo sa the physical na appearance na nakikita natin, but at the same time, yung mga languages na ginagamit natin to develop yan, na makapag-develop ng software or na applications. Emerging trends. Okay. Ayan. Technological convergence, Internet of Things, or social media. Two or more different entities come together in a single system to save space, time, and power, which is example nito yung smartphones. Convergence is the synergy of technological advancements to work in a similar goal or task. Now, billions of physical devices around the world uh, that are now connected to the net. So, meron tayong tinatawag dyan ng motion sensor, smart thermostat. So, why IoT is important? It helps people live and work smarter as well as gain complete control over their lives. IoT, or Internet of Things, is short for Internet of Things. So it refers to the ever-growing network of physical objects that feature an internet connectivity and the communication that occurs between these objects and other internet-related devices. The social media is a website application or online channel that's designed to enable web users to share content quickly, efficiently, and in real time. So social media is a website application or online channel that enables users to create, co-create, discuss, modify, and exchange user-generated content. Social media refers to the means of interactions among people in which they create, share, or and exchange information and ideas in virtual communities and network. So different types of social media. So we have a social networking site. Excuse me, andyan dyan ang Twitter and Facebook. Actually, yung mga social media, social networking site natin, dumadami na siya. Okay. Sites that allows you to connect with other people with the same interests or background. So a social networking site is an online platform that allows users to create a public profile and interact with other users on the websites. Media sharing sites, one of the most visual, one of the most visual type of social media platform that allow you to upload and share various media such as pictures and video. So these are websites hosting and allowing media or resources such as digital pictures and videos clips to be shared by users. So typical examples are Flickr and YouTube. Most of these sites have additional social features like liking, commenting, and having user profiles. Social blogging sites allow you to publish content for your audience and help them discover it. Blogging in social media, again, blogging and social media both allow people to share their opinions and thoughts with the people who listen. Diyan gumagamit sila ng WordPress, Tumblr, Wix, yan, Blogger. Bookmarking sites, services that allows you to save, organize, and manage links to various websites and resources around the internet. So why is it important? Social bookmarking sites invites people to visit often because they can create and share links to popular websites. By sharing content, they create a welcoming presence for their company as well as drive traffic to their websites. Example, the Twitter. Twitter is a simple and excellent platform among the social bookmarking site list. All you have to do is to log in and push your favorite sites. So this will automatically create bookmarks of the posted site. So the bookmarked sites can be viewed again by the user. So nagkakaroon siya ng tinatawag natin na Pinterest or Reddit. Discussion networking sites, a specific type of social media platforms focusing on discussing news, informations, and options. Review networking sites, specific type of social media platform focusing, discussing information, it's almost the same. Okay, then touch commerce allows consumers to shop for products easily from their phone. So we love to shop, yes. Kahit hindi sa online, I love shopping. Okay. But since we're talking about the technology, okay, the greatest example of touch commerce is shopping apps such as Lazada and Shopee. One click away and your item is right at your doorstep. But minsan, meron tayong advantages and disadvantages by using this touch commerce allows o tinatawag natin e-commerce. Kasi yung mga products na nakikita natin sa sites, parang ano siya, versus reality. Ano yan? Pictures versus reality. Ganun na nangyayari. Ay, yun, thank you sir. Expectation versus reality ang nangyayari. So, ang akala natin, yung nakikita natin sa pictures yun, ay yung pala, hindi. Ang according naman sa mga policy and isa sa mga agreement ng mga site na to is pwede siyang tawag nito, ibalik. Pero, once na receive mo na, wala na tayong time, mahirap na silang makontak. So based on my experience last year nung December dahil namili ako para sa panggip, bumili ako ng Lacoste, relo, wallet, ganyan. So nag-expect ako na lahat magagamit ko. Sabi ko, ang ganda naman ng relo. Pero tinatry ko siya kasi bakit kaya hindi nagana yung relo? Siyempre, wala naman ako pambukas. Dahil baka battery. Punta ako sa mall. Manong, palit nga po ng battery. Pagdating battery, asan pa yung battery nito? Hindi ko pa po nabubuksan ho yan. Eh, paano ang gagana? Eh, wala naman talagang battery. As in, walang battery. So, kulang yung loob nung relo. So, iyan ang yan sa mga disadvantage na gumagamit tayo. So, sabi nga, di ba, napakadali kasi sabi, one click away and your item is right at your doorstep. So, ganoon naman talaga kadali. So, hindi siya parang waste of time for us na lumabas palalo't ngayon ng pandemic. lalong nag-boom yung mga online ano natin, yung mga ganyang business. Pero syempre, may mga entrepreneurs na talagang madidiskarte dahil naglalak sila ng mga comments. So, I found out nung magko-comment ako para doon, nakalak yung comment section para dun sa mga negative comments nila. So then I found out also lahat ng mga good feedback doon mismo sa items nila tsaka doon sa store, eh sila rin din pala ang nagko-comment para to convince the prospect buyers na mag-avail ng mga products nila. So sila rin din ang nagko-comments. Kasi pansin natin, bakit puro maganda? Bakit wala tayong nakikita? Pero pagdating sa ibang mga issues, 'di ba? Halos lahat hindi na filter. So isa yun sa mga sa mga advantage and disadvantage. So based on my experience. Actually, dalawa yan experiences. Kasama ng pamangkin ko, bumili ng sapatos lahat. Uh, parehas naman, left and right. Yun nga lang, medyo mataas yung isa. Medyo haba. So, isa yun. Isa yun sa mga natin. Kaya nga yung expectation versus reality, yun talaga. Pero sa foods, of course, nakukuha natin kasi kilala naman talaga. Pero pagdating sa mga ganito, hindi. So, hindi ko naman sa sinisiraan Lazada at Shopee. But based on my experience lang din naman. Then, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting system networks and programs from digital attacks. So now, from social media to online banking to digital hospital records, every piece of our lives are available on the internet. Hackers and other criminals can fight to gain access to this information and use it for their own purposes. In essence, everyone needs cybersecurity, which is true. These cyber attacks are usually aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information, extorting money from users, or interrupting normal business processes. Implementing effective cybersecurity measures is particularly challenging today because there are more devices than people. Kasi nga naman, sino ba mayroon ka na ngang dalawa na yung cellphone, may tablet ka na, may laptop ka pa, 'di ba? So ganun na yung nangyayari kaya nga based dito sa survey nila, 'di ba daw, there are more devices than people. Kahit bata may sarili na. Kung 5 members sa isang family, lahat may mga cellphone, isa dalawa doon, dalawa rin ang device na gamit. Okay. So because there are more devices than people and attackers are becoming more innovative. Examples are antivirus and anti-spyware programs. Ayan. Kasi kung ano yung mga nabubuksan natin, kaya ngayon nai-spy, kung ano yung alam na kaya nakakakuha sila ng ideas para makuha yung mga datas natin or information. Ayan, cybersecurity is the practice of the protecting system, networks, and programs from digital attacks. Next. Konti na lang po to. Okay. The popularities of smartphones and tablets has taken a serious rise over the years. So several of these devices are capable of using high-speed internet. Besides, using your personal computer to create Word documents, you can now use your smartphone. Kasi dati kaya pagbibili tayo ng ano ba pinaka main reason baka tayo bibili ng computer just because for the documentations sa reports ganyan. But now since na-develop ang na-develop yung kaya meron tayong 3 computer developments, 'di ba? Smaller in size, more power and less expense. So habang paliit siya ng paliit ng mga computer device na ginagamit natin, mas nagiging powerful siya. Kahit mas nagiging powerful siya, pero nagiging affordability pumapasok pa rin siya. So ngayon, dati from desktop to laptop, laptop to tablet, tablet to mobile. So ibig sabihin, kung ano yung mga applications na pwede natin install from desktop to laptop to tablet, pwede rin siya sa mga mobile phone. Kaya nga, 'di ba, mas naging mas naging advantage ngayon yung paggamit ng mobile para doon sa mga estudyante na they cannot afford na magkaroon ng laptop. So kahit mobile phone lang ang gamit nila, at least papaano nakakapag-download sila or nakikita nila yung mga lessons na pinoprovide ng mga teachers nila dahil doon sa mga applications. So ibig sabihin, yung mga mobile phone pwede makapag-download ng mga applications na pwede rin sa tablet and desktop, laptop. And that's all po.
Okay, thank you very much, sir, for a well comprehensive discussions about your topic. No? So again,
Sir, stop share ko na po.
yeah, it's okay. Okay, so maybe somebody are asking how do the new social technologies transform innovation efforts. No, companies have traditionally been very specific about who's going to do the innovating. No, the designers, engineers, scientists, and those people who have the credentials, the right combination of education, experience, success, failure, and so on. So more recently, companies have allowed major users of their own products to participate in the product development process. And some companies now says, why stop at lead users? So why not let everyone take a crack at helping us develop a new product, improve an existing one, or solve a vexing problem? They are no longer specify who can participate in the innovation process, and they welcome all comers. No, the Enterprise 2.0 tools are designed to help with this more open innovation process. In fact, most new types of innovation such as open innovation and crowdsourcing are based on these technologies. Let's say, for example, the Procter and Gamble, no, which has embraced the open innovation philosophy, does some smart things on its Connect Plus develop website. The Procter and Gamble doesn't only publicize what it knows and what it can do, it also highlights what it needs. So that's radical. Big companies don't usually display their ignorance. So in addition, the company doesn't restrict itself to product development. It's looking for new ideas in everything from trademarks, packaging, and marketing models to engineering, business services, and design. And of course, the Procter and Gamble invites everybody to submit ideas, not just pre-qualified partners actually. It recently bought the technology for an antimicrobial, I think, na product from an unknown company that submitted a proposal through the website. So, does the use of Enterprise 2.0 technologies yield better ideas? Won't a company simply drone in bad ideas? No. Keep two things in mind. Number one, there's no guarantee that your next innovation challenge is going to look anything like your last one. It might require a fresh perspective or skills that your existing innovators don't possess. A company that uses Enterprise 2.0 technologies can publicize the challenge widely and collect response from many people. So, two, the community that forms around the challenge can help sift the ideas. People suggest improvements in both on one another ideas, so the best ones eventually rise to the top. Because of the Enterprise 2.0 technologies, good content becomes apparent over time. So a good idea isn't always obvious. Let's say, for example, the Guabs is a game that lets characters fight one another using the element on a computer desktop, such as toolbars and icons. It came out of a crowdsourcing startup, Cambrian House, which solicited ideas from a large community and let them vote. It then had the top vote getters face off in a tournament. So the company's executive thought Guabs was a pretty dumb idea, but it won that tournament. In fact, investors are now funding the game's development. No? So does a company have to choose between traditional and 2.0 approaches to innovation? The two modes reinforce each other. No? Let's say, for example, the shoemaker, no, for example, has professional designer, but it also lets people submit ideas over the web. People can vote for the ones they like, but the final decision result with the professionals. Okay, so there are few risks, of course. The technologies are cheap. A company can always remove any counterproductive contribution from the website. Quite honestly, the bigger risk is that the company will turn its back on a proven source of great ideas. And of course, that is people. So I think that's it.